Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, CD player, MP3, sync, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2017 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.